Da bia me ka say ye wo ahaban ene ye wo ahaban ye nyina ye nim se efre bibi enhaban mfaso be na wo so ye nim so mfaso ndi emu bebre dogu ye mu bebre bona duro se wo hye ase ahaban gyan fiche wonim ne ye de ye batwe ne se didua na ba fa ahaban no esa yare ye ka sa ahaban yankomo kakra be na betuma dia fa ahaban
se ka ahaban bia ni ahaban ena ahaban bia so dwuma ayeden eye ebu ho ye di but ye sa de ye ade foforo what I say ahaban sebi nipa bebre ni mu no sa ahaban kro noa na di enu na afa enti se sebi yare bia ha nipa se daw so bia no onye obi onim dia obi onim ahaban enche nye boseme nye mi na boseme mi no enche ahaban na kro na dise onye obi onimu wotima bo se ahaban we say idase yebeko no kre me gidie ne me bibia wo no e wo ahaban mu me bompa kra na se sebi bibi simple kra na bompa ne se nyame se on kire obi a onim di e wo ahaban mu because sankyire ne ene yare se bia no be free sraba ifri ahaban kro na mu tu be shi obi to se me a yisa pompa enko na me ne do yare obeba bia obeche breast cancer for no na e che kakra but semedro bejuwa within 2-3 days bo se ahase nane bo se ampo bebre ba no ampa afede enane HIV so no 1 month hepatitis B 1 month when yare a obenya 1 month straight be kwa check na free moja nim ahaduro ne de wo ho me mompa ye wo ho me nye sofo me dunsi na me yedru kama ntumi sire obi bia se me okumase kwada so udu so for laya na wafro kwada so agrikeka obesi wo women's training center ana Asakore rural bank ofro agrikeka odu ho no ma oso pa magana me dase
ye wodifo ene ye wodifo odifo na ye bo awiemfo ba da wote se wo falumba metabo ni din no ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na num asem simape na wo hunu se upe baabi pa upe difo bi de ho akobata no a ye wadifo mu ahodo minimo hawo kore hawo wo hwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha obehunu ni nyina moborofo oni bie papa na basa so na ene gi se mewom ni se o yare na ba na kache ha ono ama baabi a wo beda na amawaduane adi kosi se wo benya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepe baabi akompai body a e jape kurum ene e wo se woko eni gi se mewom ni se bosumi bia wo ye all 91 ti baabi a wo hye bia wetima prepare na wa baabi bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu na wo ye no all 9 fa number na egu afidie ni so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo se wo te na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko he ne mra ye frame na na ye bo a odifo awiemfo ba me wo jape kuru adum no nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nche kwa media me dwuma media ne se me nyame som ne
ye mo nyina che ye mo akwa ba ede mo ba ko adwumadi so e wo Kumawood TV enen so obo ade no de me no mienu kwa ase moja eje fusan wo ye mu a na ye de aseda chenchenche be ma no sanse abrenye na oye na nadoye ewo ho maida midi edi Diane eduhine na efi sabre ya ekusi se no nwotwe empem bobode as usual I keep on saying that stories making headlines in the world of shoppers and ya bobo ano ebetu bia pito so ama wo so wo hu de etu ade ncheche ewo social media no eso wadaroma yamfa seda ema ya boafo abre biara wo mo eso yasne emedi dwumede abraham as the PC enkoma CJ Fashions kumasi amekom a ojibre eshamatade every single morning ora kwame asamase bre atade bia opese wo hye no waye krado se obi designer e dia mawo local clothing fabric nyina no okwa obenya bi apmama open white open blue open black open indigo name them all colors all designs in ano or sebra no pay we be na na to seku ha ehwe wanim se wo beba na event bia wo ko no watch break no sisi ama won so on hwa efe I can see say this week the odima me nyina no you know as I decent stuff but I think I love it looks very simple so casual on the cover bia o pese wo ko and you call the number is 0268 505021 0268 505021 obekwa kote sister Grace oho Grace matching na wapo mo etisen Steve any mamu nyina abodompem e wo kwa wokwa wo be sisi you feel you know home away from home when you go there yes matije erade ohraw na onye wo kese asa enkoma mama edusan ye mama ohun te sen anopa mi chia wo no mesen chia wo biem masre ebisa se apomu no emu ye de anasa won kase no emu ye de minim sa adom ne nti no waje me se ako me ho ye pa ena anopa mi de nchia so no ena ema wo na mama edusan se oba na kachi a wo ya de winsan fan kofi de biada o se the capsules no wato apete Ghana any abuchimen baby a wonya edusan about capsules na so memna ebedi wakegine mo ebeboa o ma 7 peduasa infections bia ewo so no ebe pamono e de fiwidie ne mo ase ho na sesen aba ho a oba memene bi ebe clear infections na e de from be ma se bi utimu se infections apodom pem ewo so unso no mbi se be menum na se bi enso tututu efimu a eba o sese bio ensana boja pade no ho dompemu se dien o se wodwonso na obememu ehyeso etutu na sabi wutimi fe wo sinyanya wani mu ansa na wetimi adwonso de mesra wada jebre nanom eye edusa herbal capsule se ne be ya yemfa katita ento obememu na bibia enwi peye emfama ya rankete abodompem e wo system no nyina na me kanfo eye edusa herbal mixture area amount say numbi and you're free to go apomode ebe ya wode na cha kwan e wo Kumasi so ame macro golf filling station ho and na obi hu edusa herbal center so go there now na yensisi eme bibia enyi peyo emfa emam asabi o enkoma ba achemfo ba enkase ba enope ba me say odende ho ba yes ba herbal center doctor ye moache esiri bisa se ompomo etisen wudru eye ban herbal center na no obi amhia no se ban de wakoyen kokkrafo ene eye mrewa papa ba akope we ba cho enyen kokra ene mrewa nko a nimum no se wonya dislocation of the feet the arm the back what have you ebi a spinal cord ebi na sebi prostate cry ene hawo wo de fa kwana hwade wo Yesu Kristo di munti no ordinary kanwa e ho na bo wonse wonsan so mfa wo nan na abunu enkofi de biada wonsa achim amasabi otimu se e wo kasa no kra bu pen no fakoda na eye ba achemfo ba about center na onfa na dro enka wo eno ano no e ho na bo wonse kasa na mu abu pen no e beka sekitwiri amonse you adomache de no obo ade e de ache no to ordinary dro kanwa na eno ano no mesrawada fisio e wo ho ema ho mesraw me ka fisio na mane oda bi ho no ma ye say wonya accident bi se bi mpediasa ente wo so otietia le nan no so kakra enya de machine si papa ya credit fi abuchi memu dia begu ho de ukopie ma odu shem na fisio no ododo massage no de ma wa enya de o oya obi ho no ma wodi begu widie nani na wa massage na so massage wi a ho na bo say yes wa hu ajo form enti bopiem e wo atonso agogo hospital na chipe ho e na obi hu ba about center achemfo ba ye ba na onfa na dro enka na bibia enye fantastic emfa emma female world children's world male world na e ho ofechi na benchem na be pie mu a enkase mini baby a meda enti me wo aflawo e na meba enti me ye den ma ba be hu ba woni problem see 2 days of my baby ada 3 days of my baby ada 1 month of my baby ada ama wo hu say you what be fi na necessary ye crop any ada ompewe ere na ope braba ho necessary apomodin enye wodia the numbers no egu screen no so wadaro mafa na wode no etwem kobo emu bia no ode beboa ama won so akoma etimi atoyem odi fo na yebo ojape krom papa machiu na won pomo etisen se meba na se mi chiawa na me ho eteme efi se ubo adwuma odi fo na yebo ase bebia wo bia odi hye bia na adwene mu eka no odi hye bia okasa basa a wa wuti mu se we de adwene mu sebi eya ato chema no fa kweda no na wode ne kwada odi fo na yebo a wa bo ho se yade no enye te se ne etie no e biada odi hye no ho beto no na adwene mu be ye no fom na wa bo se you adoma chede no obade de ache no enti sebi owo jape krum no na oni ho kwa abone dwa ho enti ukopie mo nko ade a obebo wonsem proper e de ama no efi se na edru no is superb is super fantastic. I can go on and on with the English words, but trust me, me catch no say ukopie mu nkwa we see abo san na odi ache papa yi enti wo so ko anope ya so and afre the numbers na etwa de nchichi o screen no so no na onye wo emwa yam fast de bio me emfama eye Dr. Amagana Doctor we nkwa na me kana asem a ho na che say me ya ka ma na boso anything me ho doctors bebre wo nu nenso odanso oye unique oye extraordinary na okupi mo Dr. Amagana kachia hey say pressure pa me catch us within 3 days pressure no ubohu sense so no eye big say diabetes e wo so abemu adu bebo no gona eno ano no ekọ etwa ne condemn sabi pampa agina wutim e koko abuni friend say pause me so obemu wadru say free wo to sempompo say je wayi mutim say wo de ubusa weni amo no si wisi me say we ni problem ko Dr. Amagana akache enkwaya de nyina fakoda no sipaye basa syphilis gonorrhea candida eden eno de eye ne adwuma kitikiti bia na sade kitikiti bi ukopie mo Dr. Amagana akache o Kumasi kwada so directly opposite the Women's Trading Center. Your life will never be the same. We never can. Apomode no obechichire na all their swallow say bam. Don't say you bako baby amaya sawo yade. And I don't pay we no any aboafa wo motebro musike twitwide asomasne. Emi edidwume de ebro. You streaming live on Facebook Kumawood TV, streaming live on YouTube Kumawood TV. Share the program for others to be part. Wo hwe nyina no na wo share. What must say? Now what they comment no so no back comment section na Facebook and say WhatsApp line that screen no so no far. Now what the message na so messages na na what they afa ho na ya kan e de amount e na no pay ama won so akoma atoyem. If you say ye buy so wa me hwen a ye ntimi ma ye buy on for TV ento ho a just say ye nyu bia enti dwumade ye nu mienu e na AD ntimi so for message number me kan ni na de amount obi say hey that me kan messages no oh yes I respect your comments and I respect with data now what to enti me message dey me fani agro me kan ni na amount I won't say you my kind I just say be abro me so then so I dey start to so head the amount I want so say you me respect so na me do be brain na wini ho so 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 ye ni ho answer na member the nation's uncle akwaba na mama me darling abro so akwaba no mama so nkran kitikiti be so to mama say Veronica be say friends who is your friend why and wadamfo and why minister be so who is your friend who is your friend wadamfo and why and why na fa down for but therefore and then asase we so aye won anybody break afan crop now for ama say wo munuma ase I'm telling you anybody break afan now for bi ma now for no amwa wo munti oyo ba na wade egu oye bema sebi otemi take decision or the aye sebi akufibra enamfo adamfo bi o ha kofa na omwa otemi kra mo wonu obusuantem basa adamfo bi o no ma sebi ofa na adwuma wo ye no me pa cho onkoso ena no pedem pesa me ka che wa ne se eya hwe nipa ofa na adamfo na se ofa ne se wadamfo obi on mo adamfo ne no na nsu wuni ho asem obeka fa ho no we do yan pa some obeka no sebi what sia na say ah madam for me sleeper no ka say fa me ho obi on aware mo ti be ma ne bibi ama no okoka kire na adamfo na no asay na adwene ukun de na hwe ni yi ukro mo ka so kwa wo mantem ana say bi o yeso tete no ni say da ko papa tete na sebi o enya bone kwan so nenso na ebia adwuma yim ukohu ya minimo bia ofa o ma na danfo etu ne fo e ma sebi okogu ni kura ni mase e wo drinking sport and as I can say bar not knowing say na okunu no ni business partners a wo mu SCI ene yen hia we bia sebi fe bia sagodi tulip na yenye meeting ni wo hotel wo hu se be manage sport de on tiase adan na wa sport obanu front to ma brum eko gu be mene ni ma se photo be mene ntime mi na no na ne na fofo na wo mu en oni omu ye meeting no ka say Is this your wife? Question on so is this your wife? Beminent me na no oba afia no say me na me team sika be waro na we die abusuafo komu aware nego me amadamfo bi we die me amadamfo amini no na me ni di agro e no ne ma ya aka na onim de ntia da ko me ko no ka kire me say eh ako ene pa de me kunu de aye me na me say de no kunu aye ade o so bra na watia ma me papa na me say ade na watia ma Osiai, usu bedi banku, NHS, wakoma yanka kudija ye bibia to bibia dia befi na maye banku yewi. Na mi hia 30% na baby so asem am 30% na mpankoto banku roba. Utuma me say me mo banku ni mu fom. Na am si wunim nyansa. Mirafo, me ka chen say wunim nyansa. Ba ma si obedi banku. Wakoma yanka kudija nyina. Wato ntwina wato bibia tomatoes me konkruma bibia didwa e de abro madam fus wonya adwuma wotifie be me ya to ka ma no mane dem be me ye bibia be ma no ye shopping bibia aduane bibia wufie ene wo san ka se na dem kondo ban onu ansan kwakoto bibia brown wo ye banku ni wie ya wo san ko be me na mpacho mam 30% ma me fa koto banku roba no be ma no se bo banku ni gufom. You see, Obeka Chanam said, "I win Yansa. Where the one idea, Yansa with three. By my way, not so good as verses. Madame Fimune Kum, Panameyaka. But I'm proud of it because name so be can make say, hey, any other no 2 months, David. I will tell you as it is. And to me, so, if you are now they were down for no can was a chain, no, I can't show. Ye who can say, ye will you say, ye were Jumare say, ye say, oh, wow, watch whom you take as your friend. What I say, nice one. Abrakaba.
Your sister.
Boko de. Yabane de neaba.
And I pray you share at your phone.
Sa.
You're just stammering and you make sure the police
Okay.
Papa, what you need, very much tonight. The managing of whom say what the son of mine is the problem. You know, money,
no, Yamano.
No, but no one, Beman in film, Beman for commercial. So, Donidia or Donna Yamonina. Adam 4. It's make a catch your bar and say, Bema, I will need you, worry you. Meanwhile, Obano should be me, that's for the other baby, a bling. Emma need Ginaso, up by Bema needs when you be mono. Adam 4 no
you see? You see?
Diana Tiway, Pio Ganu appeared in Adam 4. Madame for pie, and that's so.
And one,
they are the only people they come and send someone with carbon here, enemy. Because me see me see what fire Madame for. Come on, me in bed, no shouldn't be doing.
But no one are down for, no, they call.
It's a problem. It will be back, and I'm in yes, and impact here. Now, so young, from Sunya Bay in Temple. What's some more sick? It out. Come to see myself. I'm down for. I want to go say, son, I will temple. No, no, no. Now, say, come here. Come over here. For one cassa or one down.
Which year, nay, 3, if you are nay, call. Yeah, of our cover. Yabande neaba.
But we be able to
Yakupan.
We are singing that one of the Kumawood TV. I say, na Machia Madame for Cheba for or Goso.
Okay.
Now for we are Sevilla Kraken, I can for over 100 in the West area. 100 and said by Albinia Mubako. Now, where you free Yaseka Krakawim and now for. Now, this is the reason why I make sure Madame for Cheba for. And I had them for could have been a type of friend, no matter before Beba, they would have finished my Canada.
Sir,
in Jama, no dear, the three class, who the Anami Crania, who be Sako, Quasema would name Yamisano. It's about for and so have a Chilean Bunyango when Shano. Adam for the Okan Mika chapter 7, verse 5. ɔse enye oyonko eni mfa ho ntu onipa so oba woda okokum ne ho na wewa no onipa fiefo na tamfo bekan asem ne da bia na mesia film ne se awurade asem kura ete ye won wo ye yiri mpo agye na disi ye yiri ntem dia ene ho na wa abonten obesere tin se friend nti namfo de be ye se wo hye obi abesere kire ba nkomodie die emu bi ye hunu bebe kuma se sele tv sa ba nsem aten wasum lucky see kunya nipa omodo ye pe asem na tobi o metima record bibia sanu se ni afre na damfo ne enie na ubebusa na no ni hwe ka kese ne kon na do se won se wa bra body
nyame hu ya mobo
nyame on hu ya mobo se nya wo ye hu ya kwan yi
is over nyame moaye na o moaye biom da roma em say o kan with the mame so madam for back one I say ya be nua aye bibia ekua Rahel nyame on show. You know, America said, "I mean, we diagro, but trust me, this is the one who said, me go, hey, that you do guy. Any trust me, well, me me bufu ya, hey, madam, me be care bufu kan kind of guy. Yet me compare and to fiance say, still na diante, and I say, and I fiance. Now me on show, what advice and get with the mommy. I love it, and see, now me on show, no more. Na yenya for I'm trying na. I saw my first story making headlines on today's Koowaa Show Emrewa na wadaroma Mr. Kamako say papa usu bempa won sem no enya de bekwa kwada sisi all over the place on one or trendy wokoha uni ubaha uni wokoha uni left and right and center. Trust me ayibu brija e Ghana yeti say yechi no eye dwada no eno a yeti say okupi mwaya sabe fi say na ne ho emfa no now ye san so abone bede e de na ba cells all because I don't know say do mo de man no eye kakra or what hospital nyina na handcuff egu ne nsa enya de just say IGP ni mpanimfo wo mo elusi guard on him at all. They are straight on him. They are so straight on him to the extent to say o twa ne ho baby a enye yi na Ghana for e de omo reactions be aba concerning video bi a amanfo ehu na mo me hwedi nti a Ghana for ni abre na sebius yenim se no nti e na ma IGP so e pese o kire se sebi enye obi a na call that direction. Let's watch the video and come still that
me pa chao ubetimi anya aban asem ena mo nsa chi emrenti eni sene onni mo nsa huhuro nti minia abamra humpa tesa abamra be yin ani ato nchen aso ohuni aso
now you may transgress a law or you may be found culpable in a certain area, but because you know how to give, you know how to show kindness, the law may shut its eyes.
Ade a friend cash sika ade a friend oma we nyansani a bomodin say a titrufo a omo wo man unu obi a benya connection.
If you are a wise man,
listen to it say
connection with all the great people in your city or your country.
Every month fikesiemu emin every month headquarters emin every month I don't want to go there. National security my home mean we onyansania opa me south places ya mabobodin miniano obekwansa won ebedin de metimi aka no
so if you want satisfy the people in power, and if you are able to satisfy them, you may go to prison for committing an offense, but going to prison may be far from you.
Oh my God. Oh God.
Rari nyangu bon show ni pebi o show ono mo mo no nyo mo kese
ana se don bezo me meni mi
na me ano passe opambo so
oh papa
Ewradi nhyira no na me wo fa so usi be mpa nso so Ewradi nhyira no me sire papa usi be mpa se me de ani ekoso nyina me si wo nsua de mfirimo o ma bibia biti no nti ho aso tua na ne se kan besra so ma ne so mu nika won sa wo o mu musa be bi obeda no mu sisi ho kakra
oh ade
because mu dia se mu wie na GP amfa na nkon sa na so ajiska ni bi amfa ai
really
so no an kan say so was so hunu ne ma ya obekon sa obeche na so ya wes obetuma access ban sa wo mu de ontimi nko tim be di wie na so sensa wo na mu kata so a kire se ne o kan na ye ni na dia no ma ye no o ma ne se kobra na aba ye ni
okay
dan wo kwa ba me ye di asem no Ghana mrase se ukura tuo wo lansi tuo a so ba bonte betrete se if no dia ono de tuo ne wo nkura bi ne nkura na so mkonsa wo mu ho ni hu so aye papa no so entiman se bu ne ma papa wo so empa de ne de ne so odi stable public o ti ase sa de ni akokodu onya kofi onke nim ne betimasi no ho aso twen de minim se de mu odufa di se no mpo ko 21 week ni ba ne so nkofi a enhyeda me nhyeda nkan ho asem ba ne ma na ekura tuo ne de omu ne din semone e wona ho ni nyina na papa wo so empa na lansi tuo nkura no mto bia no obenya ska lansi tuo ndu kura ye de no msa ka utu ndu ono kura die no still a ohia bi ndi nsa wo mu wo mko siesie ne dabre ye wie na sa asem so de nyina nim ni se tuo tie no wankon nsa wo ma ye te Ghana ha obi so twintuo na so alanse a onkon nsa wo ye be to aso from ho ne nyina ye sua de afiri ho so mma sa nipa ne kono na busuafo tie me mo mpanyimfo ni dua dan ya mra ne de se nya hunu ba kono ne nyina ebe folo ne ya disubi sikani nim nya ni mra no onye bribe
okay
ye ni amfeska nkan ye muko nkan se nipa ne yeska de aye mfe ba no eni wo sa ndimesre ni die kwa so ono ane kasa na ayi ne nka me pese me nche mo fa sia sofo ne se omo kasa ayo mo ncho ma no ye Kristo asem se adifo ne asofo ne wona no kura nim de o kan ye de nipa be konkwa de mu edi nkasa we firi he se ya ti Kristo asafo na ye tu omfo so benya heaven ni bi akọ ne ye ka kire omo se wuti wiase na nyame dom to wonsam a tuatua bribe ema se bimpanimfo edi so ne me na aye bone omo antumi anka mpato ye good teachings e free wasoro ne bae ana uzu be mpaka se free ni pem di tomle bia o so unu se nsam na ya no mbeka nya ni nya na wasoro na eka sometimes they talk out of their feeling
it's good for a pastor to say that
until make us sometimes they talk out of their feeling because uni bibi okoko oye agrada hanya oba ye di 2 days ye meche no enti no free se sa na na wa ye na ahodu no enti wo say ye proud am ye say Ghana ha ne de em so ne ba bi o hye ne de obi antimi mfa ne nsa nka no e na akofa we abere no unim say sa word we so when you soon during assembly mu a anka no ka betumati asem ne so ka say unim nia wo ye because what yes ka bi ntie wo say otimi kum nipa kura onkonsa wo.
But Mr. Officer of Wadarumo, we share video where a new better provoke IGP ama in fact saying Kobe boom many mukramana with imagine campaign.
Adanya na se me na mte kura ngambum. IGP kura wache. Ko say 2 week 1 week o obuja so da o mse mva nemra. Me ni asem no fofo. Ko na me hunu video we. Na nko ma 2 weeks ogutwa ne nsa wo mu mu ho. No de aba hu se wa ben ho. So mfiri se case ombe jane ntem dia 2 days na ko 3 days o man kon sa wo mu ko se utietua sa de na oni nsa wo mu kwan wa edin se obekon sa wo tinga 2 days o ngodi nsa wo oba no maka chen se nye jeri ni epageri wa bobre ni bi wa bo MPP government na emum ni ebesa nsa wo no ko oba na hunu se emfa won ne etie bia because papa no wa na nkon nsa wo bia magia di se bribe na ye ka so mo gia o mu di tu sa na ye no kore wan ka se asemu ko nim se asem bia betuma me ato nsa afre betuma mo adwo ahome wo ho ne ye no wa ba bedi asem na emu si ye jeri wa mo akonsa wo mbie uhunu nsa hohora onko ho nti so wanko ho a kire se IGP mo woni o ma hohoro mo nsa abum e kire se MPP ye president go ka se efikasie mu ho de memmo hodin nti utim se na wo be ka parliament asem wo di asem na se de ho de wa modin na se ho nyina mo me na nyame ni pa awurade nyankopon ahira mo brofo gu na ase mu bi ye mo bona da bia ye kyem Ghana ha na ukres ka na mfa meboae na mpanyimfo na wo bi dada na se o mbeka o ma no atum wo nsam hundi no on papa yesam ketua bi nsam atwa abre on nsam atwa se Ghana o mo abetri so kakraka me na me yesem na me yesem ni ase o ka bia ye mfiu no ye ya watua ne so ro na mpanyimfo we di eso ewie je bribe wie no mu die so omo ma me prove zo uzu be mpa ma omo hwe se na ado age bribe no
na de onye bribe
was it baby die wo modi yes obo certificate do abobo onya na baby so na wo modi na he
I say you wouldn't know until you don't let
anya public toilet so so ya kese no so do me ehunu se onye he omonye he omon prove yada no omo yada no ne ni so ade hunu kura ni ntia na
omonye he
ene omo ehunu ko ya hunu de omo atege
abro it's so I won't say pathetic. It's something if you're hearing such things from a sweet man of God like that.
Better the omunya na nche no.
Ebi ana we no yakeka kwa na.
Abro ya nhwe mu kwache ne.
Brian ko.
Dan ana pe me chi Paul fo nyina. Na me bie me Bible no mo.
Kinkai.
Saint Paul na no Troy.
Okay.
Or see, that is also why you should pay taxes. Because the authorities are working for God. When they fulfill their duties, pay then what you owe them. Pay your personal and property taxes.
Okay.
And show respect and honor them. Also, when family you say, the crew will say, "Good tax, answer."
Like seriously?
Yeah.
Ow.
Because so we be a Juma Cassia. Now we miss what tax now no go. Now we tia. Now penny for the better or settle or more on down. Yeah, you told me call Jane tomatoes, your ticket, and no money. Yet you come up penny or two office law. Not to set office in the air. A summer bar. You be channel. A so. A summer canoe. But me and for a grow. And this force a boss say, why you music on my jammy? MP before she boss why music on my jammy. Missing net, scanning pay, just most of the pacano. Young training in power fame, and then I'm soon of him. You see, the Ebusuwa Kumemo, and no name, and the Pia Bontin. Why yat check, the no consul a bit more yat check. Then, your office will run group, I will be. As a most of the packy. I will never challenge him. When you go to police station today, near Chiobi, I will never say you're Berlin and Jiska, Jiska. So who call hospital? No health insurance. And manage to say health insurance on their man. We are a young show. But then we take where we are, who call about trouble. Kotoa Bonti. Any minute you health insurance can away. So health insurance can away. As I know, the back and the more Papa. Or see, so what team that the enemy, yes, what we say national security. Sure. Hey, you also be born a so much channel, a TBM, not the same. Then, baby, you do, Mr. Fanya, Mr. Tunten, media so far. Obi because themselves a sign to Paul and a sign to Peter, the sign also but the sign. And then the first time in it. We are called radio stations. Any presenters are called videos were on so many occasions. Obi him continue about who Kuyantinantum. I obi him do a dear.
On Pia,
as a man who come over, on Pia. Who will say Mudan? So when is Kenya Sama, or to look at me say, she can even the cow will be cut to back and remove the to una would do for. Or say, whoa, memoir them. Machiwa
no some another
onu de kan ya born to no o say so say memo dem because o sika na nyame nchade na mpie ho onu no so onye sika wo wiase me ma no say sika nkwase for kwa ni sika pe sa dan che asemi osu be parking national security for srem mpeni for monchi osu be parking san bia o dis has can fa IGP watching sanchi ni bio sa allegation we say no yan san fa sa charge ni kaka. Okay. Don't you do this kind of different? One woman people or say I said about the same dear what I want to say the same dear uncle was grow and fake a sea wood by parliament. Grow a sim fake a sea wood by Quebec. So
that means they be a hospital to Chicago.
Like Quebec is fake a sea and you will Mencia. But Mencia MP or representing Mencia. Sure. It's a fear so Ghana. I have parliament. I want to be able to penny a MP. That's if you can see him. Eti ono mu chairman sabonsu. Ani mu ntaka mu ogo no so no. Ozo be bago tua mo driver na.
Ebia.
Eti mu ntino. Mu fa charge sakwato so. You see, edu baby on parliamentarians no. Na kufa do say. Mama ye nya spectators.
We should be citizens.
We should be citizens.
Ebi omo amu.
Eti ozo be enu abo ye ko tele TV so ka say we sie obi dey.
Say na ye ko chin. Absolutely. Yeah.
Eti ozo be pass say who was kana who the kwa ban penny for.
Mom me.
Let's just say come the penny for. That.
Come on, no more.
It's a common
don't you think Sabia is just a joke?
Ah. So Diana, they offer us a pajuka.
Oh, I'm saying people say.
So what they are some tools with
No, me fan. No. What I'm trying to say is Sabia, a mugubi, they kasao, something of that.
Yes, sir. Omon corner solin in Jaine. Say you mugu. No kaya omunjai because what she assuring ba no kronobo automatically no wama obi oye business bi owo ske bi agent tax then when put tax you tua put your sport mini sport me tua obetua bi se ora sam da ku se tax no tua wa anu se
no tia pa
na ya catch sam da ku se do tax 10,000 busumia boa no na fatu no afe no so no de na bi edu 120,000 wo de bi 50,000 kwa yenjo na obi owura sanda ku saka se metina nka se kwaya tutu abanye owo usu bo betim na dwe
so
owo usu be padu money e wo team se no me yentu tax never go to brand ama national security BNI for IDP misinya misi onya menya okase woni police station na me se usu be padu boss bu police for
yes so mo
police no shatale
sure
oh great
enti kama ko say no kra na mo agye ne pampen
me dia me sra IDP say atale a show mo etu okro mo empabu a show mo tax etu Ghana ene de mo media wo enti media na ewo mo no me yi me nko abroad ye firi mo say media me ma wo kwan se mo fo usu mempa kokko te wa bo police wa atale na she nti me tax am no to atale no wa say no mo fa no ko tu mo fa no ko dira court to touch a policeman to beat a policeman. Some see over for police in some level. Let me tell Ghanaians, say, police, they are civilians like us. Anything called police will be all crown for. Anything called police will be all New York. Who called police will be all shuffle. DSP on Shabonum. Professor Upon police
musician, yeah.
If your police in India, your chairman of the police will acquire me what? That is a police in to you. Sure. Until you cannot beat a policeman who is protecting the whole nation.
Alright, so if you cannot beat a policeman who is protecting the whole nation, then you better so. Couple of messages before I bring you my second story. I can see a lot of messages right here. People are so boiling out. People are so hungry. And I have this from Junior Sierra, Akukere, watching live from Akukere. Hi to McDaniels, incoming MPP youth organizer. Thank you, Junior Sierra. If you're watching us, you say good morning, my sweet Diane. Yarabi says that Diane, you're looking beautiful this morning. Thank you. Derek Kakari says that good morning, madam, and all your crew. May the Almighty God continue to bless us all. Amen. Efriye says that I'm Efriye Daniel. I'm watching you live from Thanos. So, Sir Diane, please, where is okay. If what this says a powerful advice, thank you. Ashita says that thanks for your advice. Good morning to you and your panelists. Thank you. Middle class, how are you doing? Is that please check your okay, it's really rectified. Thank you. Justine Minta said that good morning to you, Madam Host, and your crew. We're watching you live from Adansi Akufum for Yedamwase. If what you say that, please, it's not only friends, but your own sister can also do same to you. And also, homophobia almost no, ya time for power. Won't say. Then like she says Diane, good morning to you too. Oh, Ofa. Daniel say hello to you too. George Akwesisa says I'm not sure Owusu Bempa is in sales. He is enjoying at home. Who says so? Are you sure? I don't think so. No God, ever so. I don't think so. Middle class say, wow, look, how can a pastor actually preach this? Or preach like that? I disagree with you, Bishop. If what is a bishop, leave Papa alone. Derek Akari says that Owusu Papa went from this common and cheap comments. How can a pastor actually preach this sermon? in church. All the congregation is in. All the congregation in the church are actually parish. Anyway, and Katia says that good morning. I'm watching you live from Dubai. Thank you. Jesse Minta says that yes, this video will surely provoke the IGP because Owusu Bempah is talking out of what he has actually seen and what is actually going on in Ghana. Simon Nketia says that the offer nice talk. Emilia Frempoma, good morning. Emilia say, please share the program and let the world know about these wise people. Ajite says that Osofo Pani. Tom Paul says that good morning, lovely friends, and God bless your day. I'm so happy to be with you in Ghana. I'm watching you live in my, that's I think on my television. So. At the same time, Facebook. I can't actually stop watching this program. God bless you. God bless you right back for watching us because I have a lot of television stations, but you've chosen us, so we'll have to say God bless you. Middle Choir says that a nation prophet like you allow your boys, social media comments, and blogger punish you to sales. Let's actually comment, remove you from there. You ever heard it? Then why are you so scared to talk about these fake pastors or always defending them? If it was actually Captain Smart's anchor, you will be pushing more salt in. So he's also welcome. I'm not actually defending any pastor. It's a question I throw around. So sometimes you need to understand the job. I mean, cause now me cause there. Now with moon say and same baby and a day out. Yes, sorry, I'm not yeti. I bet you just say amount for a compare Rasnene to Kojun cancer Lewin. The way I'm a Kojun cancer Lewin about Bontabe cancer. Ghana for any reality phone now more comparison here. We see that no. What's the money? Now more sana more the time. It's so almost same. You should video like
Fanya de pa obi se ketekete em mane nyanso de na de
wo ka season what asem em say Dr. Like time
enye bia time obi time no what time no time wa
o Dr. Like na say any season o say emreba
dabi sinin kuna ana sabi YouTube so different what say no disrespect to bia yo obi o scanning star ho but that's why we star the star is star we star na broken obian ne de ti wo ka so furi ne mu abaye kese wo hanu a o do suspect na oboa ka bi relax nobody ajinyame market here me twesi ne star ko star sa ko se nyame na ka studio kan se be kan che pona me sa produce se de ne mi produce no wo want say ka se adwuma we mu no be ka bi ntiase anya mi fan feso emi nua prof to obi asem kokko emi nua ya beka but wonte papa no obi le beke tia beka kiro ya no se nipa wo ti asem pe o musa na ebufo ere aba to fo tinuka se ngeti ne ke busa ka pie na entro oza ko kodri no pe obi twa YouTube e ka se wo start ko model nobody obi twa YouTube ka se wo start ko model you be do aje ko won twesi be we to YouTube make it stage ko ja te from beautiful ba ko ba obi abanyame sane yana de ana maba be chi be no bi me last one sir oh movie I'm telling you
but I mean
che pe Ghana kan kre me last one nyame be obi ama bi
almost Dr. Like is on is on top abesa
aje ko film be chi be yi no enye say who is my baby? YouTube ne fado open, kekado open. But the movie in the script. Ebe cho de ye. Funti mi nyam no so, your time da so.
Asoma okay, obeka say oni be like him.
Dabi come on. Ejuma movie ejuma stars be so. Le so ntama opeja wo heti a, unya tan. Ko we twu. Ente dey. Ye nyaw. Se do so a. Wo anya like ya. Obenya ko wato. Onya ko to obenya be like aire. Ai kama. Be yiri baako. What you say? Yes. And you be on the fit. But in Ghana mental you be peja. Obi twane kakra ara mo de no compare other stars no. Ade ntini pia azo we de ogu chelumba. Ghana obi ntim mon odon nsi lumba da nobody. Ghana I've been to go won ba because o di wrong was in Lumbanda but o time was nyam do am on di ho don't challenge legend Jano o senior man ti o trend dia I think I don't pay and Jana na compare because time I mean we say unity hey obatu daddy obenda juma
eti me am fa like e compare
o ma fans kwa akotan enipa no esa many fans an koso what is it I get trendy opa ma obi here na nkasa no me ni adwuma wo we be ni di message
o be catapult ni di no
osa di message pija ko so no le ayi adwuma sa afa what is it sa na se ni hye oto nyuma be seli fa hiti ba pesi amani nya sako de ana sa tanzania nyan e be se busin sta na ayi akoso fi onyo Ghana na unya stars na kase fonu fa onyuma na unya
no kan sa lo wen e na etiso ono so ebubom e ho no ofa ofa se
kojo kasa otufu asema woke nyina to asumu but ya na ye mwa se MT school na nyina ya nkwa no atenti ni ma bibiti ye kaka te se ye wo bi ho ha TikTok e bai o ye star ho e China na mama ba o so wa jitum sa because unya ko ho na he followers na number ho bia woni sa followers jitum oti asem na se e YouTube nkoma ye di obi ho ha e ho na se ne wo no wa chechiri mu is a case where you start or you have to understand it. What you have to be a TV presenter or TV kasi be a modern. Wajidini. What you say? But we bet my catcher say of a lumba, a star who Kumawood TV or so jitu. We are kasi a boros sending him by only any penny more. Over Fremune, comment about only above a lumba, only a different. What you have to say? Engineer and I entities answer was say. Nye we nye ntokwa nye ade bi o se gyan emfo time ma ba bia wiase aye wo mu no obi awo ne ope obi awo ne ni je ho akura bi e friend asanto wo TikTok yi wo di chain celebrities ni bia bi TikTok ni bia enso omo no so ye star kase wo di asana sin ti so omo ye comparison se ba bia like you no wo so che kwadwa ndi asem because is obi aso ayi ane all here like YouTube no still awo hobby nzo obi aso ade all here like because ono so dia abeye ne ho no time bi be beko emfatu ni bi na ye
o so ndo ye kachiri
emfatu ni bi no ye na eja ko bai wan ezo aba ezo no abetop eja ko die ndie ene yo no abetop na ade kuma bi pie wati azu wati obi ani o sa na tie bre ade bi a wo ne mre na eba so ti ase se ontimi nya ne eja ko aye wi ase da na eja ko ye kese echen wo no na emum generation we no on na live dia sa na like beti ase se generation we ono na ekọ ba wontimi nya kase nche ba agitum se ono abe konkari se eja ko kura pa on pe ba bi ntina dia sa na like dia ne pe ba bi ntina go ono na se obi ahede enim no odi ne ho nkomo sa na like you one cheso na no sam de se futu ni mai na na yebu ade na no ya betena azo obi etie na na yebu ade na no ya ye wa na yi ba ye friend say Abraham be Moshe buy no nso be ye ni obetimi a ye wa na Ghana Jesus buy no obe ye ni obetimi a Ghana Jesus o wi nso be ye ni obetimi a eni ekonya evangelist ade no nso pie du otum fo mpanyina tem didie we ye okot nso be ye bi bagini dia se nuru twini du na aseso enti abrabo ne de wo ba kakra obetima ye bia na ye dan ya fans ne de bi du obi be compare obi esi ono oba ne anya comparison ke beda no ohunu se wogina so ana ne ho abe den se papa ajako ana wa beda bi akodu kokuma mi se de ono anim se wodi ne hutum se tie e nipa na kan nipa na recommend de se akwe wo ba ni mu odu se na ma akọ eduare na ade opese ono de ye nyai ka because ye kan oba kesi ndi ye nyai sa na still ana ateso ye be kan da like ibo aduma onko so mo aduma small time ohunu no ho so ya obedi di ache onu so ya onu so be kwa mo bi aba
abro o si na chobi enu obi amabim that is one of the actor you know obi ama
Diane, on this note I'll make use of this opportunity as the national PR for movie producers in Ghana AMA and I will buy Ghana all the movie producers on welfare mini crowd.
Okay.
So I will use this opportunity to advise cancer and like
okay.
Omunina call for me because I'm older than them.
Okay.
And they know me. I say we are running your first video to me. I say my fellow win. And then after the show I'll call him. There on him. A JB so. But I wouldn't like Lewin any like his own society. Till Lewin commenting or say a young man conform the tin some can eat na say ni na na ki bisa ke bo se bibli na je no kre and the lines are working. One the problems me won't be me the movie adwuma ne de say e kase obi wo sinim pa ye me papa wo no yi video nti me di sinim sa na me di na mabe national PR. I know what it entails. Onko share o program ase le woni tie obi a tie obi a na like it wo no aka ba ko edu no so pe no uniform no yesi na le ntwem
so on channel why
see o tie o le woni tie obi o de kwa me nfe na bai Zion Felix here twa sabi lu kwa bai oba na odu like so no obi a tie like tie odu no so no yesi and o twem le woni twem kwa me nfe du o the phone to no tie kwa me nfe. Something is about to happen. Now, I am promising Ghanaians to say, I will not sit down and manage. Because it's here, young producers and they affect you. Do you know it will be very hard? Say, we compare Kokumen friends and Lewin, Abum, say, you could move in there. It will be very hard. So the Kokumen Jaco, Abum, I could move in there. A bad thing, say, Jacob, no point, say, Frank, you got in diet.
But why should it be so?
Because of boys who need it, no, who's my pandemic. What just what below a was in some yet, saying, Missa can be bringing a crack.
So then, why do you people keep listening?
I don't tell me two of them say, if the like your TV be born, be up for the one, call him and ask him. That's what makes you a man and a brother. So the ones what to be there for like, we never catch you, call like he and ask him. Because me, a woman, yes, you must say, ya pensa. Now, so you need your own power because the media is looking for the bad news. As some way, Diane, if some penny for you to me and fire name, see for man, a betija, Zach, the end start is had a lower in the former manager. Everybody, my Fukudu, my daughter, teaching so much to me, Zach, me first Zach, me tell me sport for 1 and 1 for more than 2 hours, many animal. I can say, I come here to know. Maybe be a general so do no. I do a babble to you over fun, but I'm telling you, say, baby, you do and sana, Leon Becker said, me metino, be and will be a quick power, boy, be the Busumuru. So against the brother. I'm not the winning Pamino. I'm a coffee on my air car seminal. Now, as some see more than a year and over, and she sees a winning car or the TV on counter, but I do only someone is some no Yibano. We can't catch a good send an antibiotic. Boys no deity, no. Just because be near them for no. Boys no deity, no. They are wicked. They are the devil. How much you call Mao? I call Jim Michael, Finning Marco did that. Oh, what to know? Afro. Oh, I feel I want to person who didn't come on here. Real movie crowd teams this year. It's a mini urban casape. No, I drop more about Macola. No, this is what they are doing.
And why they doing that?
Who pronounce you? The moment I offer tears and so you want not, I don't know any kind, but I'm the person we are too known.
And I must have for baby, won't you warm me?
My pum baby,
Because over here no now, so for no boys to know, and I was going to make a say, maybe an army, and you run boys, no one in channel. The Obi Mao, a crime make a 2,000 Ghana city. Or sister, Obi more be 2,000 or sister. Now, so you now or like a war honor. Senka Obia, me pass abroad 2,000 about for the 2,000 that in your baby. Now, so abroad is to be open to me for being mad. Diane the Biba, now boys and I wanna see, and I sub you, and then yet, and then you say, the 10,000, the 100 million, the 50 million, the 40 million. I so what's want to me for being mad. I'm a boys, no, I'm a Jumano, say, no, say, cost through, Mr. Dako Pedro or no better a Jumano.
Diane.
And then yes, why are we like this?
Monsieur here, and you baby won't let one name tenacity. No can't they were film for boys in home. And advice of the man could do no 1 or 2. So if you say when you be now, never how carry na manipulating through a bravo. There were some guys, so more free not the Rowena Brabo. And let me thank the money no managers here. I say, say a poor near, maybe we should say the better answer. Yes, I dare ban it. Stars your one those who. movie producers you want to say near him keke but stars no know so
and muntimi so go
Brand Pacho say muntimi fa new faces in manner because we you know timemufo bebre we are fed up of this one way faces
Dan
because Ghana how kind ma if you have be 5 say Emilia Brobe any Mark Brown any Vivian Joe no one more omo ye kakra e be enum nsia ma omo enim no and one dey bia yehu o confirm me man no so be 5 6 and one back from ban so I say you people don't give them the chance to come. Why
we do give them but omo no mum dada na omo fa ekwano so be mu yi eyemo poverty we say wo location obeko but you do obey mu say obetwe be obi ko location won say ya cat action 3 times when the both lady me say den sir ya man so many ladies opportunities sir onya obati biso ba ko na boga ba wan de ko nti wo train wia na tete so before body man Frank Fifi Gabin James Abwadi Jackson Betu Jones Adima they okay YouTube omo ma girls ni be bring opportunity but e ba no bi e kakra bi apo awale ba ya pe no ko bobo money bi apart from million and na mile and white on worry on tile mo bebe ni e make you start so mo worry obi dey want to work here.
So you have to bring in, because look at Nigeria, you see a lot of faces. I am
the over 120 million. We are just 30 million.
And to young ladies be bringing ready to act.
They are, but
so why are you not giving them the chance?
We give them the chance, but me just say be na be bano na oni odon me but any friend obey mu. Obi twini be onya na worry back one na we jai and member no so buy onya visa back wo de bobo is na no Ghana oji be na publish
be na so no o ma
because because me I'm tired of their faces
ma pe ku mu ache obi na kojo na muntimi nka no kure bi nje na
because of our
obi e peja kojo ne ko obi e peja kojo woni ne ko musa Ghana Jesus kojo ne na nya problem ya tia ya antibi pata pepeja kojo ni na nya problem like ni be sua bibia film ko abere na wadudu ho yede ni ya kila de na onyaye nti so create bibisa no usa de ne kojo de pe a eye de obedi afutuo from baby obe hunu ne ho so e asema kojo be o fashion up modia o ayete wa anye ni pa bi me na kojo pe masempa later kra na o de ye me o ti kam na akwa ncha na watu ne na so wa ye bize bi wi wani a obi o suru be gina ncha obe na nim ne na agasa ele obi de ye wa ya me na sansa me mbeti wan we abeka ne ayenka go abo me pen but was ya obi ni wonu enye ase obi ojian mo obi amabi enye airtime na mo pen fo nso munim mo na mane ti emfaza amobra na wonzua wo so onye obi bida wo man nya kase ye mo ni dua so onye obi bida wo ya ni papa ye na nsa na ade yem sa nsa ye na ene ya mo nya sa ade ne keka mo nya ma bufu obi ama enye program ne so le nko ade na ade obi e peja iba ne wo obi a o peja bia oni ni wo program gabe wo dun tro bia wo so obi kwa na triple no wanyi wani kakra na kobi funny face ya oni ni wo program award kaka okoje ye wo nuru ne so enyo na asa agro na wo sesu na ya bufuo kwakuma enu abeto no a oni ni wo problem eja kwa untimi ne nsere afede nketo anzo so o so peso mpeja bia obi apeja ni wo problem je nipa na ahete wonu kwa be ya ne nya problem eno de eno no like no ancha nkwa didi na beba target say de wakọ no ancha ebi grow fel nya na level na unti no ancha fane sa na bu ho se manyini o men du ancha ki e interview no akasa o so on say mpanimfo na se be obi so ba otimi hu no obi no say radio me nsem fata kura se ibi am respect no de ma me wo dwene positive ma ho na call baby ade na wo se mu hu ni say ntokwa na be se ba woncha se bi da bi dwene se obi tia na obetuma ade ade afiri nsem dia onso betuma dwene sa ye wi ase abrabo wonni ba bi onso firi bantie bia onso kon ano se woncha edi anu no yam forget se wo tia wancha ento ho ofeso ena ma ye die ma fo bo onso na nim ne betuma ya ne dia wancha e ka wi ase abrabo so obi anso woni ote nti obi anso te ne wote onso bebo ne ho ba no atra no ba bi adwene ho nti wi ase abrabo o
because e chai dia na bra eke oni pa bebre ho no ma o mu hu se obi ebe pa mo che wo hu na wayi nani obese ni pane from me sa me frɛ ma hu se won hu mi na wayi wani ana wodi for
sa dem godo pete obi awia ba be also woni
pre stadium and it's very bad me I will ignore you me ko radio station bia na me kwa interview presenters be me nsa me nu o hu se me banana ba kwa dan na chi me do one of shame and I'm saying we are all the same you nyina na edwuma ba so what the hell are you talking about when you're ready I feel me kwa hey lead one who I'm say master fa say hu fro corner that me focus say now so na out here now I'm say master when I was coming before I met park no mu na mo hu me dada and before I met so me park na me so ma so me I say me park baby ano me di ka survey ho ansa Yes, baby. You were all looking at me already. Why are we like this? Yeah, if it's true, please stop it. Natural boys need be so. Now boys need to say ni pantem baby. Nyame mo ene enkoye ni me test story baby I mean read a couple of messages middle court says that I'm not actually happy that Usubempa is arrested, but we all advise them, but they actually think Ghana belongs to them. Those, you know, social media people and the bloggers are your problem. Now you are there alone. Where is that your boys? Bibi, why are you running? Tomachiba for William said, and even Judas and Santo are no more. So Kojo and Cancer should actually stop that rubbish. Kojo and Cancer talks too much. He's becoming arrogant. I don't like him from day one because he cries. He's not nice. Oh, Charlie, he's not nice. So some people say that Diane tell Lewen that if his village is far, there is another village after his village, so he should actually calm down, please. Phil Jones says that please stop pretending you at and Daddy said you and Daddy Fred, you were on Daddy Fred platform commenting bad about Owusu Bempa, and you are here. Okay, I think the mobile and you are here not happy about what is happening to him. Hypocrites. I'm going on. Phil Jones came back to say that I have made an open on this platform that I don't like Agrada. Stop doing to face blah 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 blah. I'm going on. Yeah, also say that thank you abroad, but why always Kojo fighting with anyone in the industry? Paco, I've got your message. What's it? Diane, why do you always protect these fake pastors when they mess up? When it comes to Owusu Bempa and Obofo, you don't want to talk about them. When it comes to Captain Smart, dear, then you will be putting more salt in it. Paco, Australia. Diane, what do you always Paco me that say? Mama tell story no. I don't mind you, Paco. I'm going on with the show. Now I bet you and Che, I think about 2-3 days ago, 3-4 days ago. I mean funny stars. Let's begin from 2 days, 4 days ago. And I bet you just say, yeah, some adjective few. Now we're going to interview we say we have 3,000 Ghana cedi at the Etienne rent now and I'm so I'm a 7 producer will be a whole money to my dream pan who said in fact what that or not. I'm a vice president of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. I could donate 50,000 Ghana cedi at the Ama some adjective you popularly known as Titi of the taxi driver fame. Say on be channel rent on be channel video and I
Paul story, and then you say we are never been
The vice president saw the video. He was touched, and according to him, you are one person that he has really enjoyed watching you on television.
Oh, okay.
He saw the video on Saturday.
Okay.
He told the people around who will be able to help reach you. They called me on Saturday. I intentionally didn't tell you.
No, you didn't.
I didn't tell you, even though we spoke on Saturday. Okay. So, Uncle, I'm here because of the president, the vice president.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I'm honored.
He was supposed to send delegations and other things to come here.
Okay.
But the vice president asked me to come and see you this morning. I was at his office this morning.
Okay.
And he says that he wants to take care of your rent.
Okay.
For 5 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You know what? You said you are here in the stead of the vice president. Yes. Then when I'm talking to you, I should stand properly.
No, Uncle. No. If you stand me too, I will stand.
Hey, when you are here, then it's just like the vice president is sitting down, so I have to
Uncle, please,
with my hands behind me.
Yes, I came to do a donation on his behalf.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
In fact, then let me say it straight away. Mr. Vice President, I'm really, really honored, and tears don't come to me easily, but in such situations, before I realize the tears roll down. So please, if you see that tears are rolling down, I'm sorry. But I really, really, I thank you so much. I really, really thank you. Thank you.
So the Vice President says that, he says that 6 months you pay 3,000. Is that right?
Yeah.
So every 6 months he's going to renew your rent for you.
Okay.
For a period of 5 years.
Okay.
So every 6 months he's going to make sure that he pays the 3,000 for you.
Oh, okay.
For a period of 5 years.
5 years. Okay.
Okay. So let me have the parcel.
Wow.
So Uncle T.
Yeah.
The Vice President says that for a period of 5 years, every 6 months, your 3,000 is sorted. Okay. So for the next 5 years, you are not going to struggle to pay your rent again.
Okay.
So that's it.
That's for the next.
For 5 years.
For 5 years.
Yes.
Hey.
So this is 30,000.
Wow. You know something? Mm-hmm. Since this money came, I haven't held something like this before. Mr. Vice President.
Oh, hold on. You thank him.
Thank you.
He says that you need to eat.
Yeah.
So I should give you 20,000. That one too for your upkeep. You want to buy food. So this is 20,000.
That one I really, really appreciate, because I'm taking medication. And as I keep saying, medication goes with food. Mm-hmm. So for my upkeep, it's...
Oh, His Excellency, may God bless you, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. God bless you in abundance. And me who comment be on social media, and I'm for can say, is this money from one pocket and I say you if free Ghana, but come on, and he said you a vice president on GP. Obi awa Bobra aye Bank of Ghana manager before and he said there be akura no o save even 1,000 Ghana cedi a month into only 50,000 Ghana cedi. Oh no, Ghana. We enjoy kasa bebre no. Nipa bi kasa dodo. But we are happy. Wo adia Vice President aye Ediama Sam Ajete feel. Mini bi amede be kwa ya ma no papa yi aye dia. Nyakopo won shaw no wabusia. Ene wo yire wo ma. Wasifo nyina enye kesiense ne kesepa. Abro, are you happy? Papa is on so scan be mo stay down.
Yeah, Dan, in fact, Edika and Mamenda Vice President as situation of women here and the Hawaii and all day.
Papa, what's the name of me free? Sure, and run a crown of crab.
Now, what you may say is a vacation of Asia. Now, and Ray, me a Kobe Quakra, my body, Minister Christopher Dinko. Let me catch and say. One policy and Bessimidija movie producers were Ghana, a pension scheme. No matter what, this year, Kusini, I'll fight for pension scheme for movie producers.
At least you meet your mock at the end of the month, Caribbean.
Yeah, quite before you be a crack to be beer. You have a pension. Yes, because a pension at least be a crack. That's what I am going to do for movie producers in Ghana now. So that be beer to see.
Sure.
Now, that Vice, I say, now you two producers of free. Can we say, if you run, I done in India. Come on, this again say, Papa show now assassin that we first interview say, I have some land just here. Like a bank, if you want the money 6 months, say, no money in Tia. not for 50,000 no and she just 2 bedrooms then the baby Sakamia like a messy flavor say
Obeji. Oh, come on. Bro. Don't cry. I saw me try me Husimana memra. Mummy try Musimana memra. Oh,
and I'm sure. Na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wunyame asem na wo nom na wuti na wo meye wo ba ni nya gidie se wo ba no na se wan ka se mu problem na be dey e be sofo gidie ni mu a wo so kristo nya twase wo bi o dey ko wo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me no se sia wo hwe me no wo na me no wo ka sa asem no bra ani achinyi difo ho wala si
that edu maybe an emotional. But two why yesterday. Ne say to yonko and it's a dream. And I mean, phobia or more comments social media, sebi, I can't see a sem trunk as your commenter. And I'm a general one, and say, Obising guys and or actually the den or the den, sebi, your questions and your comments on oh, papa, my bear for what come home. And so still. O papa onda so high na bi papa nsi fi so papa so oye adwuma e no kire say sika no enso wo no nua mokra hwe no di bi kura to baby dia asifi no enti sa wo kire ba papa so a na no kire say papa wa mobrewu e mu yeyo enti sa sembi e ba ta mo tro comment a ye yangwan say go social media na ye kasa bebre no mesremo e ya mo me anwi awie no Wati na ye social media na so a ye kasa dodo ye di atem dodo obi di excellency attempts me we do something hey mo hwe ye o social media mo hwe ye o na mafo bebre no me aka ankrofo madani ayarofo ankrofo adani ni fra ankrofo abobra sa enye ebi ma omunya aware ebi munya wo sabini nyina no eyatenie na mo running on people on social media you don't know them ba mo kasa mo batsa mo mehwe why ofa abresun bra nyame onsraw because o wotema mani papa na no me se wo fa se kra wa ye kwatam bicycle kakra ka se fa ko ma mo fa se na o ji fa de o ye no ka me no fa lumbe kotobi o
and life is not easy
and trust me ade o dey na and I'll come on my bicycle se fa ko ma nyame shraw it's not easy
titi nyame
kan ho ampa onim say edume bi na taxi driver ma hwe bi amena
me see many are down for to extent say this man when he's giving
he doesn't think about it nyame shano baba
sebe kada kurama mewa nyame be mama yeye
obe mo yeye dodo
sebe kada kurama mewa kwakwe urade be mama yeye adiwe adansi bi na manya film kire se ni oni pe ye bia no onsa nkamfa so na ebe kan china ebia omo anu omo sisu na na nwene ho bata china fo ne de omo dwene ho na bibi na enya nka omo nsentia titi be ye titi nyina no na ye ex president na omeye vice president ise na ne muwa bi wona nchen na wonuru ho ntina ne nsankan se na urade prepare vice president se brebi be titi be kwa hochi no abetam na gina yi ade bi oni pa wo ye bi Corinthians 3:23 o ti firi okra mu se wo ya ma urade because dane se bo adache won sa be kan pass bi afiri so as president yam ponyankopo nchira no vice president yam pa se ma ye ne na se obedi bi pen urade nyankopo nchira no na onya ne kese ontre na shim oma anema nkoyie ma no asetena mu ade a waye yo ama nipa amoto ama nipa ye wura ho ye ho weti adan ye firi ho no na me ba ye movie mpanimpo so ba bi aburo wi na me betua nipa ka wo ho se ntu be so chem za dan ye ni hyehyere ye kura ama seifo na ye nipa nyiri bi anyame ahyira no ma o wiska a wote sa papa inka anko be kai ne waye pen akoye na do
omo yema na nka se bi waye pasa na makotwa picture
me obetua omoka se ye didibire mo omo a omo pese omo nya sika firi ade ni mu ansa na omo obi bi omo aye obi ntimi sacrifice se position e dia ma media mi obi ntimi be boa ngofo se na nko no so nane ade no kura ama ni monyam fufuro bi mpie
omu nyina hye ombotom ano oya ane asem da wa ye njeje mu mani pa hunu se ye ne ye de ende omu ye best wo wiase na akora ni siso na wo ye no wo charge wa na o maka so ya ahoma so wo ja charge so na adwuma ni twam so a wa bofom eno so mu ni mu ade ma no ye nya dan wa adwuma ni mu Ghana nko ane kentu amehunu se wutwasini otunu ma wo mobo Ghana nko a okọ Nigeria actor ni otwa yi kura obe frashim no obe ko no wo ne so ne adwuma e wo ba bia o se ni munyam wom Nigeria America de yenka ya tikroma na America fo be fa small boy bi wa ha ni dinu gwa me wura fi ye de ne ko ni fie nyina wo fie timu ne Abrahata ni fie nyina wo fie timu ne abusia ne che bra dane we bra nipa bi abebre wo movie industry mu as vice president kure kase ono na mehwe na manager ewu atitifo ne eskafo bia na omunyanya eska omo hwe na ade kekere omo ho rehye omo nkran na omo duru ba bi omo duru omo nkai papa no so ye interview da bia omo wo bi omo betimi aye na omo de nam da bia ni kwan so omo ye no hihwe ne mu de na Kristo mpres no e na omo ye ye ni da test wo kro mu asini ba ma omo ska including sabe taxi driver kra nipa no oda no nti onye ye taxi driver ne no oda no nti onye ye and 20 min kai se mitia ne ka de nanso wono ne beka me hu bi ma me call mani mu abrabom entimi nya bibi sei ma no opeta tita no ba bonten besere na me betia ni paka o sa akasa ne yanka ne kwa na me obetia ni paka papa na sini ban foti na me de bibia me lansisi bi no me nya bi na no me se yanko ya movie a watwa ne abra sika ma anko ne nti ama anko ne se movie sika ya rebe ngare ne be yeme tutu si do mbeta di no mde nketo na ba ko
na say no share interview me hear interview bi me twa no papa interview bi TV so about a musician bi I want to be frank men suppose one of the television station na ibisa na say no why disabled step in period and how do you survive
me won kire no ro
enya sem keso no say enya na yere eboa na nke den no bisa say na gamro fo no wo mo no say Onya bi krache, onya bi kra na 100 Ghana. Ye mumu ema. Look at that.
Na ne time plan
say ni movie for.
Edi no so ye mfa Ghana di. No masa go fa omo hode ni bi jai bi ni de kama gamro as Nigeria for na be kedi. Unhuru he.
Wo say de ofa kan menya correction kakre bi. Enya sinin penifo ena hwe sinin fo nyina so.
I know.
Ye wo Ghana Actors Guild.
Okay.
And to some tour, now you're a good member, get no boy.
Okay.
We don't need a teacher, no a good member.
And I
said a good member. Then a good no so quite yamano.
By now, no collection be any one your collection be our as president of movie.
Maybe.
No can't just get on. Or may I do depending be any more on the West Casani, I can once a week. I will bet you go so much once I will better pay. To say about Passamonia Mete or more Browers in Nemo Whisker. But one of the young fans are really need heavy. Young Quackra. Mo papa ya mo ya dan bebre ba mo bo ndia no bi atin ka shell film form ne wan mu edu o mu nyina mu niska ante be ka o ma kuma za ye dan ya wa twa movie pen wo ye mu de be ka akobo no ye ntwen so nkojo nko bi na expert o twa movie
obi kra e de abasa abroche leaders in dashi sikasa because also mo dwen timemu fo no na se timemu fo se titi so timemu onya ga ne
expert o twa movie
I will not actually side with you because Titi a Ghanaian. Or a Ghanaian. And that's what I'm saying. Yes. I don't know. It will maybe. What is the meaning of being arrogant? Look, I'm a Christian and more civilized, and will actually, cultivate. So so I don't like insults. Why? Mamonko. So just say that so-called celebrities on Instagram always showing their world. No, did you actually show Mr. TT video? Anyway, Tom Paul saying that, but Diane, what you must know is that in abroad, leaders cannot actually dash money out like that because the leaders must plan for the future of the citizens. Calm down, Diane. Don't curse them. Nobody is cursing them. By Papa, so or also a citizen of Ghana, isn't it? Yeah. And why you want to study Ghana? A man will be a hen. He said, "Also, will be a with me, Ebuano, and see His Excellency Vice President Adia. I will continue to say, may God bless you forever." Phil Jones said, "Made a quiet. Thank you for calling me a fool wife, Mamon. Yes, Diane. When you share your opinion, then they insult you. They don't know. I don't care about that one. I don't care. if he insults me, it's part of the game. Ejuma we sign and say, "Why you me crying?" Into the costo na yeme na we and now be who am say that. Where from all this fight, middle card and Phil Jones? Why? Phil Jones says that yes, very true. If the house owner is a Muslim, he will actually do it. But if he is a Christian, I forget. I know. Phil Jones, I have never been in school before, but I have common sense and opinion. You are here with me, but I thank God I am not educated fool. Oh, we all going to join Muslims. Well, meja a message, you know. Ma main call for last story. Emerald quickly na pino. Yes, sorry, Jumedi no so. Na edu safwa. Yeng na ye ni medu safwa utwa advert the ma eye adonko. E won sem e ba bonti Manchester 10 year day or the big buy to say na nya sem pito. Onu kure yan so na if ya Schwarzenegger one more chain now or video no police or at the bar once I feel there or their chopper can say they are very doctor quick quoting video
was behind all, not because anybody was saying anything in the issue, but I got hurt because that was somebody who was thrown out of the house to live my life on the street of Accra. So somebody that on hustling on the street of Accra. One of the people I met that I took as a father was Doctor, and even the man himself, he said it and he told a lot of people. I don't care who was behind, whoever did anything, whoever said what, they will be crying, to be anchored. Nipa be original behind some problem. But I got hurt because my papa ni obia. Me funny say me cry mecha. He was somebody I could call on phone and say, Daddy, I need this thing, and you tell me that Brakuma soon to me basuma mama mention more because my person will be chill. So the people, but let me tell you something, even though I'm apologizing to the man. Okay, Proverbs 6:16. Bible says you may see no chiwi. The atoson son in a chua dear. You are titini pampem. And whoever stood between me and the man and said evil and separated me and the man, I'm using me, Jina Nita from so, and Jina, Dr. Nesto for his upon Dr. Osaka Medespa, Executive Director of the House, Dr. Father Dixon. I catch your Dr. Kokwati say, from a body chummy, you have followed to me. Do yes, it's that no credit, sir. I am not going to walk up to him again or go close to him again. I know they are cry and mammy crying, but it's not platform is so catch and say, all from a bond in channel, they are me the be and answer them.
I do Safwa and I say, oh, boom, oh, no, son, no message, no, mammy can back home, you be a mouth of WhatsApp and son, and my opinions. 1111222 minutes and number ban sana mabeka message you know do na mo baba okay any problem we ababa we
edusafo
wa
edusafo wa issue we say the point is mean can be brave because you see the wire no and the baby o say problems in a bind and some new torso tim the day where you say we can say na eyana yam ya say ni pana omodi ade ni dim so no wo hwe the personality gina wona seb ka wo bi obusuo ma kope Dr. Kokwati enye Ghana nko ewiase nyina wan no nya no fie a
kompe
wan no kona sori a na kompe enti se media make say Bible say se wo ye bone na wonu ho na wo pemu ka no krade a oyo nyankopla me no konfo se odo bone nyina be chew se dia baba wo ikin se ye no kura mpa se wonu no ho e no papa ne chew dia ewurade dia chen dada na me se papa ne chen no fa vinche na mum se ya gidi bi no yusu enye access to the man again because enye me bi no onye ne mri bi mba bi otokope bi odia ene ewurade betua ne ka because papa e betumi awo Everybody bet me try to kapa. Hwe Diane me call Angel FM ko e program ho. Papa ne ba ne wo fa se ba ko di bronze. So mo chawa de a I say omo de se da so mo so no kwati cheska wo krom. Me timi tres no de ba to so abro e photo ko sia why. Wo be ko no na e obi be 4 months pay na sim the mouth. 6 people we don't disgrace them.
Yeah.
Ke de ababa we de papa you radio TV so. On any guess, every person of Bobudi, almost less quincy, and sense, we see. Saka Bampa Mukumpo can be a penny womb, Mudi, we in a free moi. I can say, because I say, papa ni hon papa kro mo na mo se ko mo di be ka ase dan me die papa o de oba ni mi o de bia o tue nyina fo wadaworoma sha baba we se nyame ka wakoma se eye ne kure so apa o chewa fa che no ewi ase ye de boni cha de fa bibia nche na mi be sia
hey
aya me bum ko teje
no ayere
ama sele kwam despite say me wo pass no
kwam despite na to Dr. Kukote
ko kutu me wo pass no
so nya de
mi bu ne pass wo de chena adana se me ba medi mama na chimatu awon che pa na me pa kwa kutu okay me sele na me penasem me mama no ntia na da bi
ene de wo bukotodwe
ase bukotodwe aka wo hu se me nye bi da enti me sele no so de
cameraman no e ya pato ho na o mu ni
the chair do
na jay snake no
when the chair do safua trust me so the chair do safua trust me ada papa go kutin ho be kan keto abi the be shame an je na me na jele me because ababa we odi na tem de me di na tem ni kwa san ko ka hwe me ye fa better than sa ababa ndi se me di na tem a o me na ni nye se maye no ko we kura ye no dan ewurade asem se me dem funsuo nyina be firi wadasani badani da ho mfum so de me ewurade me mfa nche da se watima ka se wo ye wo kra magya wona aso mutama na wo street unim we nyina na wudi na tam wan kai abeka ka se fiwe papa watima to ka mo atram aboa ye bere TV so obi a che ye ka da ugo to advert ba ko nya won ka da man ko ka se tia papa ye ni mo nyama kura no enwuma awodo a wabie na wa wi asa be gira me kra we bra ne papa de o mfa jam da am fi se munim sunche obi o am fi se so ye de ade ye sa de munim sunche obi ana la bro so na wasi agu obi a wusu na awasi be na wom wa pa ye su we ye wusu no awasi be na wom na de we ba be kwaku ten me srawo me ye kwaku wo fa no ya na pe de me ni case ni ye so me wo fa kwaku na ka se me srawo ko to don ma bum se kan wa kwaku me srawo en kasa kura unte dumofo unte oni pa bia wo ye panyi no be froza me srawo ba na nu ne wono didi na tam me srawo ni die kwa mamu so sa ngwati asam no so ya do so etu ya sa na ye ofofro nso de etro nso nya no aka ne basa papa ibe ni wiase onye eska mma ne ho nto no wawale dodo wo ye adwuma na ofa we ade no yi we yadi do ni boni nso wa ye no de 1 series scan ade de adwumi ni no ya betena abesu abepacho present akoko man kwan so bepacho no ko wa adwuma mkura
tutu ya beto
omu unu bi dini kwan so me so omu sini edi o mata omu sa man kwan sa eto me bia na ebu ami anso so wo Ghana woman ni panu ze no ye ne nye ka wo ye na yi a wo timi na ka wo fa ya ne fra sa de nka meti ase enya no mo ntra won nkyem za so wo mo ba ama nsam no ntia bibi ameto ya nim
beto ya nim wa ha ne
ya keka ya ama sam na ni nyina bam
ya ni mu nyina be yo be ye Roxen
ade nkwa
ogen de atam de odibi
ade nkwa na wo wie wo ba betena de se me kra mai me kra mu dia be
me dia me kan say papa no say bibia ye nyina ye papa
okay what all their channel but he's not going to bring her closer to him
no I want to say you should bring her
dayan nyame Satan kra mfa ne fun so anche no nke ye nyina ye wasumdie ebesi ne nyame ni Satan obi ndi wo de okokuti be ni wiaso onye obi papa no ne gewe nkwanya beef ma me obekọ heaven ni bi uropo onye obi papa oni we nkwanya beef heaven obekọ bi ko nyame uyihwe mu 100 no o 99 one mistake wom eni so oni Satan ye free ontimi so ni mom da tinyame one mistake no se onipa bia no to se otire ni o se de ojetrefo pa o se ade di na afra me papa because nyame wo one mistake go 100 ni ma Satan ya ntamfo ndiko akute eni obi anya free kwa adu safo an kwa de eni nya free da enu kwa be ko heaven.
All right, so enu kwa be ko heaven be me lines now to me add the amount people are fighting on social media, you know, comments no Edorson, fighting no Edorson. But remember WhatsApp na men kan ba ko mienu bi. I'm waiting for your calls. Good morning to you and your crew. I'm Derek watching you live from Dunkwa Health Center. Lewin should actually focus on his work and then stop looking into others, you know. How can you fight a joke? He should actually stop fighting people. That's it. Simple as ABCD. This one said, Diane, God will bless Offa for saying the truth. Hello, good morning. Now I want to say, Nyame adom me ho ye ntio
yo me da ofande abrase na o makata pa na abro amamera okune mi fi na mi su ya na ya o Ghana no abro Diane, you only pay you on a DM Abinu fear, Musu. I am seeing me more Abrewania for Craby. Almost some rubber, Piota, rubber, Libyan Zano. Everybody be Nippy blow Marima. I was saying one day, say, 2 months, the uncle Craphone, Marijuana, and Kuala, Craphone, and Elephone City. Almost let me call man. Who's adding your idea will be about 1 campus. And Sunday, you say, or say, one. Suddenly, and yet, the more don't be a reward station to be sure. You will say, on the full way, no more for man. And I make as much as if a papa put in there. About listening on my channel. On you to Maria Sympathy, you know, Kuno. Who are a main piano, who are a Kuni. Did they will be getting you miss the boy on a one punch and remove opportunity. My mind him.
All right. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hello, Koowaa TV na mama kakra. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning, my dear. Pacho into.
Me pacho your friend has get me kasa free. Swami.
Pacho yo abi into.
Me pacho me ni dum pula na mo yan. Me ni shamu.
Abi manenko.
Hello.
Hi, Abi pacho into. Abi. Oh, Abi, hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, Pacho Metu on Kayenko. Me Pacho.
Vice President,
The mimes are original pool nature.
Oh, man, so kakra, eja.
Hello.
Aha, Metu on Kam.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pacho Yanko.
This and I am Katafi Elibo.
Me Pacho Nana, Elibu Boko.
Oh, them, but then you can ask them to say, thank you, who say, when you do that, you know, all of them, the man. I have spoken about too much. Now, here to make answer, Bishop, document, Bishop Kuma. That was all relative. What to also them back for you forget any more.
Hello, good morning. Hi, darling. Good
morning, me did Victoria.
Vic into.
Me pacho you ready and I pay the mama around. Sorry, and I pay mama around for. For pay you not say. Around for Lumba so I can say ye. We na accelerate one in chain. I walk you for two. No one yan to moon or so that be our new opinion to panel. Either you be a yellow way. And so one in chain over to I don't want to. And yes, no,
Yami wants to so. Maybe last caller or probably director of mommy 2-3 minutes behind. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Okay, on to me Kandia na maybe see you. Hi, Pastor Mami you.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Pastor Yanko.
We need the divine perfect mania.
Alright, divine, let's hear you.
Pastor, who say yesterday was so if you are imagine say you na me because teaching no Ghanaian. Ghanaian. Na dey na obi eyi is motorisika e dey akọche na eyi obi ya. ana Ghana for a patch as until Nawa Pena, I know what no more day, Yadana, be a museum on yes, and I live in Nadrian is a. Also, when you say food to didn't know, and your mouth for the new Bia, the day, Sunday, and Nasa. And the company, one of us, I had the Bia, Ocean, every room. Now teaching them a move 7 days makes a week. 55 days makes a year.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's it. Yeah, that's it. I think that me for Kobe, me brain or I but please, my director, give me just 2 minutes now. Minkai, I'm up for message Kakrebi and for Emma or Diane. Good morning. God richly say will really bless. God richly bless Offa for saying the truth. I really love Lewen so much, but I'm also telling you the truth that Lewen is very evil. Why has he actually been fighting with anyone shining? Oh, anyway, and some no doors, so my can't cry at their mouth. Good morning, my dear. Good morning to you too. Next time I add your name. Though I'm not a fan of Vice President, but what he has done, I'm so ashamed of myself. God richly bless him. This one says that hi, I love the show. Thank you for loving the show. This one is a voice note that I cannot play. Forgive me. This message say that good morning. Abugiri Amos watching you live from Kumasi. Lewen is someone who don't have respect with other actors. He has actually a problem with most of his colleagues actors. Why funny face Kwekumenu now leke or likey? Likey, okay. And also for their or the Abba. Tell Lewen to stop all the juju that he's doing. We know him very well. You now cry, you are not nice and you won't think about yourself. Your time has passed. Shut up, Lewen. B, thank you for your message, Abba. Martin from the nasty Madam. Your program is so nice. Thank you. This message says, Pamacho, mommy, few minutes, Miss Someone. Hi, Diane. Good morning. My name is TK from Sinyane, Lumba, Monfire. Diane, tell Lewen to shut up. We know him. All the evil things that he do. If we want to talk, he will run away from Ghana. We know him. He's only scared that he's fading out. Okay. Please, I'm advisor to please, my advice to some adjective is that he should use this money, 70,000 Ghana cedis, to build his own house from Akuku and Akukuwa Mampontin and what they Abba. Lewen is selfish. He is talking out of pain. He should actually understand that Likey is now on top. My name is Flo from Buti Fufukrum. They meet me about offer. I was at Meko.
When Andy so show Andy mechanic.
Yeah, Andy Mebaho. And the Manyaki Kiki say Andy Mebaho.
For one can say,
oh, send a Usi Domi, yes,
we knew PNM.
Okay, men come and I brought much of me.
Goes my hands or share. I didn't go for Winchano. I'm a December homecoming in air course. Prophet Nakwa Isaac and so air share. Opambo and a pay when it's a cheap air share. Manan Tiazaba Post to Bemper, you are then in our software our hair. Send more fast in Nimuya, but one fair foot to I won't find out our times one or Becky. Ever yes, you didn't. I mean,
I love you. Whether
we all love him.
Why, oh, I
was too chowing here.
Oh, chowing, but a nation from so when you from out of way, or very steady. As of for one doggy boys, hey, one doggy boys in Kitwano. They are killing you people. The way I'm on the monster mobile, if you know, it's in Kamini or Manka, so Fubia, Mepa, Caribbean, Noka, Mema Budi at 2 swans. Don't mind me. Right,
the Ofaluma can IGP say I'm also super body phone. Sales was Santino. Sales you Sales you
watch so Yapon, I just mama Yapon. I don't working the Mempon.
I actually say, mo share the my so na me chia Darwin clothing
okay my
for no me chia mo work say work Ghana nyina ura sam da kusini for watching also ba me na go di do ho to so no so na chia no e fe say da mo ni na ojibi
Mrs. Ochi
no so
Ajama accept say come about center you first that Emma about center for and afi oh Nana Ebo I was jump ekro yeah that one say I dey say me sorry ko say mo am confuse yapon ndamu nyina yapon TJ fashions nyame sure yapon
ewo D4 ene ewo D4 O D4 na yebo awiemfo ba da wote se wo falumba metabo ni din no ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na numa asem sima pe na wo hunu se upe baabi pa upe D4 bi de ho akobata no a yewa D4 mu ahodo minimo hawo kore hawo ohwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha obehunu ni nyina moborofo oni bie papa na basa so na ene gise me wom ne se o yare na ba na kache ha ono ama baabi a wo beda na wamo aduane adi kosi se wo ubenya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepe baabi akompai body a ejape krum ene ewo se woko eni gise be wom ne se bosumi bia wo ye all 91 ti baabi a wo hwe bia wetima prepare na